Welcome to Alan's Trains. Today we are reviewing the South Eastern Railway signal box from Hornby in the Scaledale series. This is the unboxing review. It is in southern colours, and it has a veranda around here where the man can go out and clean the windows, and round the back we have the steps going up into the signal cabin. The whole building is made of resin. Let's put it on the turntable and have a closer look. This is a resin building, there's no interior. You could add an interior, of course. Here is Robertsbridge Station, and here is the signal box. You can see it's in the same colours that Hornby has predicted. If we go across the street here and turn around, we shall see the signal box from the opposite direction. You can see where it is in relation to the level crossing, and you can see here how far it is from the railway line. You can see here there's very little space between the line and the signal box. Here is Robertsbridge signal box before the extension was added on. This is Robertsbridge Station in 1947, looking south. This is quite an interesting model of subject because you've got this branch line going off. There's a branch train arriving from Tenterden. This is the interior of Robertsbridge signal box in 1975. And there's another view of Robertsbridge Station in 1948. Here we are at Robertsbridge Station. If we click along here, we find the entrance to Robertsbridge Station. Let's go in and take a look at the other side of it. You can see it is quite an interesting design. Let's go in a bit further. You can see here there's the Rother Valley Railway. If you turn around, that's the entrance to the Rother Valley Railway. Yeah. You can even see there's a train in the station there. This is all fake, and it's all just been recently constructed, and it's not complete. It's intended to go to tension eventually, but at the moment it doesn't go anywhere, it just only goes around the corner. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to leave a comment.